Introduce highlight features of 2022 upgraded Pruveeo D90 triple channel dash cam with GPS, triple 1080p front and rear inside dash camera for cars. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: triple 1920x 1080p dash cam, 170 super wide angle lens and 3 inches large LCD screen delivers clearer videos and images and replay the key moment even when high-speed driving. Variable sensitivity G sensor automatically detects a sudden collision and immediately saves the relevant footage and locks it. The D90 dash camera for the best choice for taxis, ride-share, drivers. The D90 is the first dash cam that can be recording both the front and the sides of the car at the same time. The two cabin cameras can rotate back and forth, left and right, and adjust other recording angles at will. You can use two cabin cameras to record the left and right sides of the car, or one to record the inside and one to the left or right side of the car. The D90's dash cam can capture more angles and provide more evidence at critical moments. New D90 dash camera built-in GPS enables the car dash cam to real-time precisely pinpoint the vehicle's location, speed, km/mph, time, and routes on the map. Install and use GPS player. A route trajectory that has been driven is displayed on the map on the right side of the GPS player. And coordinates tracks the exact location of an accident if one should occur, crucial for roadside assistance and insurance claims. The two cabin cameras utilize 4 infrared lights and an f1.8 aperture. Not only records super clear videos, but its imaging effect will be much better than other dash cams at night. The three cameras also offer the latest built-in highly sensitive night vision image sensor to present an amazing image even in dark areas at night. Triple cameras provide your car with 24 hours protection. When the memory card reaches its maximum capacity, the oldest unlocked footage will be overwritten automatically to ensure infinite loop recording. Supports 1 minute/2 minutes/3 minutes loop recording and Class 10 or higher microSD card up to 128 GB. The D90 dash cam will automatically lock the current recording video as proof of an incident once the built-in G sensor detects a collision. The locked files will not be overwritten by loop recording. No battery to prevent battery damage or other accidents caused by sun exposure, high temperature in the car. This D90 dash camera is very easy to install and operate with reference pictures in our user manual. The included suction mount could be easily attached anywhere on your windshield in seconds. Just insert an SD card, not included, and connect to the power supply. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.